Puno ng pag-ibig rin ang kinakaharap ni Regine Velasquez at Ogie Alcacid dahil ang kanilang pagmamahalang nabuo ng ilang taon, nakatakda na ring maging panghabang buhay. Is this going to be the first Christmas of Ogie Alcacid and Regine Velasquez as finally husband and wife? Now,
one of the much anticipated weddings that will cap the year. A love story that we all witnessed. A couple that will happily spend this Christmas as, finally, Mr. and Mrs. Ogie Alcacid.
Pero hindi ako masyadong nakakatulog. I guess I'm really excited and a little bit anxious. Pero since I'm not so involved now with the wedding, I just told them na, oh, this is what I want.
Kung makita mo yung couple, si Ogie sobrang nag-aalaga, nagpa-prepare. Itong bride natin, medyo basta maganda siya. Yun ang kanyang main reason. Pero as far as the arrangements for the wedding, si Kakay at saka si Ogie talaga nag-ano.
We all know that Ogie and Regine's relationship had also been through the toughest times. But now that everything's turning out well for the couple, puno sila ng pasasalamat and they're just looking forward to their big day.
I think she's very happy. And I'm happy that she's happy. Hani ko, salamat at sa pagmamahal mo, sa paghihintay at sa pagiging patient.
After all yung mga pinagdaanan namin, sobrang worth it siya. So I really didn't mind waiting.
Their wedding is definitely a dream come true, and so is their first Christmas together. Kaya naman ngayon pa lang, everything is already planned for that blissful holiday.
Kasi nandito din yung family niya, sila Michelle. So we'll probably just be home. I'll cook. It's my first Christmas to being Mrs. Alcacid, but we've been spending Christmas naman kahit dati pa. So, pero ngayon, syempre iba lang yung feeling kasi parang hindi rin.
Christmas wish rin ng lahat para sa kanila to have a baby that will complete their family.
If God will bless us with a child or children or whatever, then, it'll be a wonderful gift for both of us. Syempre, I'm looking forward to starting my life as a married woman. I'm sure kahit pa paano merong changes ng konti. But I don't know, hindi ko ma-anticipate eh. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung ano talaga yung mangyayari. But I'm excited more than anything else. I'm really excited.